I got this transmission out of this pumpkin, which is just second gen Dodge. Anyways, this turned into a lot of neutrals, as they do. Yeah, it's no good. Ah! Oh my god, a fucking pine bug. Anyways, this is a 1998 and a half Dodge Ram 2500. You can't forget the half, because that means it's got the 24 valve Cummins in here. Let's take a look. Oh, spider. Oh. Anyways, look at that. Look at that. Oh, so beautiful. I've already pulled the transmission, but today we're gonna be rebuilding it. So, shut up, mess. As you can see, the interior is good on this truck. I blowed it up. I blowed it up. Okay, well, I lifted it on the bench from there. It hurt. That's fucking heavy. It crushed my wiener as well. That sucks. Now what we're going to do is we're going to start breaking this down into certain parts. So, since I don't like the overdrive part, I'm going to segregate it from every other part of the transmission. Okay? So this would be your overdrive half, and this is whatever. I don't know about automatic transmissions. Saying a tutorial, this is my first time. I think I said that on my first time as well. Okay, so we're going to get the impact out. I'm going to take off this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, strip that one out, okay, because it's not actually 12 mil, I'm just using it. Get that bolt off. And I mean, like, apparently this fucking thing doesn't like me, because now I have to use a ratchet. Okay, so then there's, looks like 3 at the bottom. Okay, so we'll go with the 3 at the bottom now. But those call for a ratchet. I don't want to use a ratchet, man. I don't like transmissions. This sucks. This fucking sucks. Now that all the bolts are out of our overdrive section, we have to actually go about segregating it. Now, there's no real way to properly segregate, because it is kind of bad and all people say. I don't think it's bad. Anyways, let me get a screwdriver and we'll pop that apart. Now that we have a screwdriver, we're gonna pry this apart. Now, most of the time, it won't go easy. Or it will. I don't know. I don't rebuild transmissions. Oh god, what did I do? Did I do something bad? I think you're supposed to separate this first. Help me. Help me. I guess just keep prying. After all, the government did it. You always blame the government. I'm going to cut back to when I get this off. So now, as you can see, it is complete. I have separated the overdrive section from the main section. And sometimes you just gotta beat it out. You can't hurt nothing with a deadbolt, probably. I don't know nothing. My grandpa would always say that when he beat me. Odd family. Look at that. Now we're gonna save this for later. And we're gonna start tearing apart the main section. So what we probably want to do first is probably want to turn this over, take the pan off first. I'm going to put the overdrive section somewhere safe. Probably safe, I don't know. Now what we're going to do is we're going to begin taking off the transmission pan, which had a little smash in there not too long ago. The impact makes quick work. Now that we got all the bolts out, we're going to take this flat blade screwdriver again and give her a good pry off, showing us the transmission filter and the valve body. As you can see, the transmission fluid is black. And, oh god, what is that? Why is there a metal fragment in here? Oh, fuck. Okay, so we'll start taking off the transmission filter, and then we'll go about taking off the valve body. And I have a feeling that the clutch packs are absolutely destroyed. I guess we'll see though. Well, but I may have forgot to record a little bit. Just a little bit. Give you a recap. Band, other band, pump doodad, I think is top of the pump doodad. Whatever the fuck this is, another band, my valve body. Yeah, she's just going. I'm gonna get this trans back in. I love trannies. Wait, no, what the fuck? Plunger my doodads are out. Look at them. They're so precious, aren't they? So precious. Oh. No, Sir Cliff, no. And we got the fucking, yeah. I'm just living today, man. I'm fucking tired. Long day. Anyways, food cooked. Fuck, look at this fucking transfer. Look at all the metal fragments down there. Like, that's not good. You like that, don't you? I'm driving. Oh shit, I gotta shift gears. I'm gonna shift down. See that? Driving still. Still driving. Shift down second, do a quick pull. Quick pull, you know what I'm saying? Well, pulling apart this overdrive assembly would seem I have no such thing as friction material anymore. That's not good. This is all supposed to be a friction plate, but it's not. Well, it's the next day. Or maybe a couple days, I don't really fucking remember. But we gotta get that fucking second gen done. Transmission's not gonna do itself. Well, I guess I'll start walking. I kind of got into a little wreck there last night. Now, the other day, I did the servos. I did my first and second assembly, and I just did a little work on my pumper radius. Just replaced the seals. Now we just gotta get everything back together, I think, with some new seals and stuff, and should be a good day. Oh, it's a hot day. I'm fucking hot. Got the valve body in now. Got the pressure switch in. So, stuff that regulates pressure in my transmission. Sorry, I'm a little bit nervous. I have to poop. Anyways, so the valve body's in. I gotta get the overdrive thing in. I don't know what this is for, but it's this. I don't know what it's for, but it's for something. Let's just put it in the soaker. Oh fuck. Shit. Where's Reg? Where's it? Oh shit. Oh fuck. Anyways, we'll get the overdrive in a second. The valve body is in. I got the overdrives and stuff done. Only a couple spare parts left. Look at that. Fucking. I got the solenoid replaced too. I don't know if I said that or not, but I forgot. Now I just gotta adjust my bands. And then I should be fucking mint. Oh yeah, I need a new transmission filter. I forgot to grab one of those. And then I need to grab my ATF4 that costs fucking fortune for some reason. Today is another new day after a long, hard day of work. My hat's yellow. My boots are yellow. I got the transmission done without you guys. I'm sorry. I fucked up. I know. I'm sorry. But anyways, we got the transmission slowly. It's going in, but it's not going in like. I'm only one man here. What the fuck? Who put that rake there? Anyways, I'm only one man. One man can only do so much. And one jack can only go so high. And since I've got the truck on blocks, right there, it's sitting way higher than my jack will go. And I'm using a motorcycle jack for this to make it way easier. So basically what I did is I jacked up the fucking transmission as high as it go. I ratchet strapped it there. Now I can put my blocks on to raise it up. But I gotta move this wood forward so I can get the jack slid in more to get my transmission in. And then it should be fucking in, and I can do some for a rip in my beautiful truck. My beautiful truck. So I'm gonna slowly pick away at this, and hopefully I'll get it done tonight so I can drive this thing home, because my little Honda don't got no gas in it. It ain't got no gas in it! Go. Well, the truck's driving. It's driving good. I'm gonna take it easy for now, because, you know, freshly rebuilt transmission. Sorry for leaving a lot of stuff out of video. It's my, I don't know, first proper video I'm trying to make. But she's running good. It's driving. It's going. I didn't put ATF4 in. I'm too cheap. Anyways, thank you guys for watching the video. You have a good day.